If you're looking for pocket watches, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 pocket watches for boy. Number 1, most popular, by WZC. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by KDJ Store. Number 3, by Eastpartner. For more details about this great pocket watches for boy, just click this circle. Number 4, by Boshiya. Number 5, by Avaner. Find these pocket watches at up to 70% off by clicking the circle in the corner. Number 6, by Hemlock. Number 7. Click the info circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Lankodo. Number 9, by Rua. Discover more pocket watches ideas and items to explore, click the description below. Number 10, by KDJ Store.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.